afternoon. Technically, it's already the afternoon. It's like 12 o'clock. So I've had a very, very productive day today. It's already noon. I've spent the entire morning editing a video that's already up. I'll leave it up here for you. And now I wanted to clear my closet today. Now I do this video, I want to say like 1 to 2 times a year. It has been so long. I'm like, my hands are shaking. It's a mess. I mean, if you've seen my other ones, you know how this goes. Let's get started. Let's get into what the closet looks like right now so that you have a before and after. Holy crap. Like, this is just like shoes. There's shoes everywhere. That does not belong in here. I just threw that in there the other day when I was done filming. There's like dresses with tops, with skirts, with pants. It's just a mess. This I need to go through. I've already started like the last few weeks pulling out things out of my closet that I just do not wear anymore. So my goal today is to obviously organize this, but to also clear out more stuff. I want to at least post at minimum 100 things on my Poshmark account. Maybe not all at once, but the goal is to get out 100 things. And I know I can do it because I have a lot of clothes. So first thing I like to do when I clear out my closet is take everything out. That's what we're gonna do right now. We're about to take everything out, and I think I'm just gonna lay it on the bed for now. Tina, you wanna clear my closet for me? I know what you guys are all thinking. If you haven't seen any of my closet clear outs before, then this is probably like very shocking to you. Because of what I do for a living and the nature of my work, I can have a lot of clothes. It's just a blessing for me. So yeah, and I like clothes. I'm not gonna excuse it. Yeah. But this is a bit much. I don't need all of this and I know it. So closet is cleaned out completely. The only thing in here, I think this is called the Alex drawers, my IKEA drawers, and everything else is empty. It's time to clean everything, and I love doing this when I clean out my closet because then it's really nice and fresh and clean. Closets get really dusty and dirty, especially if you put your shoes like on shelves because your shoes have been outside. So all the dirt that you brought in from outside, you're bringing into your closet. So clean it. I have paper towels, a rag, all-purpose cleaner, and this one is wild orange. It smells so good. And my trusty dusty Swiffer. So we're gonna clean the closet now. Closet is clean. Oh, I love it. I Swiffered. I wiped down all the shelves in the inside. I cleaned off the top of this. So now it's nice and clean and it smells delicious in here. But now I gotta sort through this mess. Holy crap. Okay, so we have the bed, bags, shoes and bags, and a mountain of shoes. I also have this stuff here. So I have hats, some shoes, and then these are where all of my jewelry goes. This is pretty organized already. I mean, I only have like 4 cubicles of jewelry. Please do excuse how I look today. It's really, really hot outside now. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off within sections. So on the long side, which you will see right here, this is usually where I put all of like my maxi dresses, overalls, jumpsuits, things like that, like super long pieces. I kind of keep in like this little section right here. So I think I am gonna start off with that section first. Oh my God, I'm like out of breath. Let's do that first. And I'm gonna be very, very picky on myself.
Wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me high on life. It's a night to stay up late.
So far in the dress section, like long dresses and jumpsuit section, this is what I've kept. These are just things that I always find myself still wearing, considering that that section was really, really stuffed. And then this is what I've gotten rid of so far. It's a little baby piles here. So let's just keep going.
Hearing small talk over the summer breeze, out of safe songs, finding hidden caves, all the wet stones shaped by the ocean waves. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length on the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting.
Guys, I made so much progress. Look, half of it is empty now. There are a lot of hangers, as you can see. I got rid of a few more bits. So these are all empty hangers. These are all empty hangers. And this is what the closet looks like so far. And as you can see, I color coordinated them. Usually I color coordinate the hangers too, because I have plenty of velvet hangers to do so, but I don't have the time right now, so I'm just putting it up, and maybe I'll switch the hangers like another day. But that is what it looks like so far. That's what I've kept. And on that side, and it looks like I have one more pile. Then I'm gonna sort through like little pants. I actually don't have a lot of pants, so that's good. And then all of my other like accessories like shoes and bags. Alright, so it's been a little bit and I finally got all my hanging clothes in the closet. Oh, it's like night and day, seriously. And the rest that's on here are like shorts, jeans, and skirts over there, and then just like fun pants, bags, and hats. And that is it. I wear these jeans literally all the time. I think I most likely will be keeping all of these jeans. I actually did a jean purge recently and I got rid of a lot. So this compared to what I used to own is nothing. The ones I wear all the time are these. I mean, they're the same pair. I'm just pulling one out. So they're the Topshop Jamie jeans. I freaking love Topshop Jamie jeans. I think I have 3 or 4 pairs, and then I just have these fun ones. I actually wore these the other day and I posted a photo on Instagram. These are Pilcrow jeans. They're from Anthropologie. They are literally the cutest. Oh, a penny. Oh my God, I found a penny. Look at that. And it was facing up. Yeah. Anyways, so I wear those a lot too. More Jamie jeans, black pair of Jamie jeans. Another pair of Pilcrow jeans. Pilcrow jeans are some of my favorite jeans too, so I love those. And then I have a pair of mom jeans and my Free People chambray. So those are the jeans I always wear. I've organized the pants. Yay! those are all my jeans. Oh my god, remember last year I think I took up this rack and this rack took up all pants and jeans. It was stacked like up this high. You couldn't even fit anything in it. Oh my god, look at this now. So clean. I'm gonna put the rest of my skirts, shorts, and pants away, and then I'll get back to you guys. Done. Oh my god, I'm so happy with it. It's been about another hour or so and I finally finished. I put everything away. I'm gonna really quickly show you the pile of clothes that I took out of the closet. So first and foremost, these are all the hangers, and these are all the clothes and shoes that I'm getting rid of. So sneak peek as to what is gonna be on my Poshmark account. This is good. Like, this is, I want to say about 60-70 pieces right there. That's a lot. I feel very, very accomplished, and it's almost like a weight off my shoulder, like just getting rid of all of that. So I just have to put these hangers away, but I'll do that later. Now to get into my side of the closet, like I said, when I'm done with this video, I'm gonna do Miguel's side. I'm just gonna like clean it all out for him and organize it for him. But this is my side now. So I'm gonna give you a quick rundown of what's in the closet now. So starting up on top, we have all of our tops completely color coordinated from lightest to darkest. So that is all the tops that I kept. I actually got rid of a lot of tops. And then these are all of my short dresses and rompers. And then like culotte style pants and really nice maxi skirts that I don't want folded. So I keep them on the hangers. In the cubbies, I have more of my fall purses up top. So it's like my Furla, my Louis, yeah, just like any like darker colored purses or handbags I keep up top because I'm not using them right now. And then these are all kind of like summer bags, everyday bags. I have from computer bags to backpacks to crossbodies, and then smaller bags and clutches. Right now I'm just keeping my summer hats in here. I do think I want to find another place for them because they look a little smushed in there, but I had this cubby completely empty now, so I wanted to just throw them in there for now. On this section I have shorts and skirts, and then this is actually all of my jewelry, so it's very easy for me to keep them in here. So yeah, all of my jewelry is in these 4 little compartments, and yeah, it's just easy for me to keep it all here because it's easy to just pull out, grab what I want to wear for the day, and then that's it. The bottom section here are all of my jeans, so these are all of my jeans now. And then the other ones are all just shoes. So shoes, going from little boots to sneakers to flats and heels, all the way up. And then underneath my dresses that are right here, I just have like everyday shoes and sandals that I wear all the time. And then on this corner at the bottom by my longer dresses, I just have like my workout shoes, my Birkenstocks, and my rain boots. And then on this corner on top of my Alex drawer, I have my winter hats behind here, 1 beach bag, the 2 perfumes I've been using the most recently, which is the KKW and the Gucci Bloom. And then this box right here is my wedding shoes. So I'm just keeping them nice and safe inside the little box that it came in. So I'm gonna leave that there. And that's it. That is my organized side of the closet. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, guys, because all I'm gonna do is just put these hangers away. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a big old thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already, and make sure to click that notification bell because I make videos every single week. And yeah, I'll catch you guys again in my next video.